Hi guys! So may package tayo. Dumating ngayon and i-open natin. So ito ay para sa aking mga plants. So dito na tayo mag-unboxing, no? I-on natin tong light tapos i-unbox natin siya dyan. And doon natin to ilagay sa corner ng aking bed. Tingnan niyo kung ano, maganda ba yung placement niya. So dyan natin ilagay itong ating mga plants. Dyan siya sa corner na yan. So, i-unbox muna natin siya. So, ito na yung aking mga plantita babies. Meron dyan. Pero yung iba namamatay, guys. Meron din ako dito. At itong maliit na palm. At itong, I don't know what's the name of that. But, that's good. Ito, namamatay na. Malapit nang mamatay. Yan. Yan lang. So, let's do the unboxing. So, let's open it, guys. So, in order ko to siya online sa Fantastic Four. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung kulay. Parang siyang dark brown. Dark brown. Ito, square. Bakit walang curve? Look. Walang curve. Oh, there's the curve. That's the one I'm looking for. So, ayun siya, guys. Oh, ganyan yung itsura niya. Yan. From Fantastic Furniture to, guys. Ano lang. $29. Tapos shipping is, I think, $9. So, yan siya. Mayroong ganyan yung kulay niya. Oh, napakaganda. Dark. Let's assemble this. You need more muscles to do this. One done na. One done. Now what's next? I need to use my foot. It's not straight. Look, oh my god. It's not straight, di. Hang on. Hey! Hang on a minute. Hook it in first.
Hey, just a little bit. Keep going.
So
going.
fun. There.
Yeah, I'll push down drill.
Huh?
Just push in and drill. That's it. The other one.
I'm not seeing myself. It's not. It goes to the wall.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Good.
Guys, isa pa din. Okay, I wish it's easy is to make a Bennett like this in Philippines. Oh, babe. Now that. Last one. On the bottom. How small?
Told you that's fine.
Why? It's right. Wait.
Oh, hang on. Oh, that's top.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, see?
That's right.
And then that one is last one. Last one, guys. It's very crooked. It's very crooked lagi. You do that, di. Uy, susukro.
I can't see them.
Tapos na guys, lalagay na natin sa wall. Saglit lang. Ito na yung finished product niya guys. Oh. Ganda. Para sa aking plantita. Plantits. So guys, struggle is real. Ayan, tapos na siya. Ang ganda, di ba? My house, my plant house. Next to my bed. Ayan na guys, oh. Diba? Ayan na guys. Yung aking mga alaga. Oh, is your dog? Look at that. Happy na, happy mommy. My bamboo there, my little things there. This one is dead, so I'll let that grow first. Atomic bomb. I think that's an atomic bomb. That's the best. That one's gonna grow down, all the way down. So that is our house, plant house. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.